To apply for financial aid on Coursera, let's first search for the course we want to take. So the first thing you want to do is to know what career it is you want to take, and we'll search for it here. So I'm going to quickly search for product manager. So maybe I want to switch my career from what I'm currently doing now to becoming a product manager. These are popular searches that people have searched. I'm going to click on product manager. It will bring out all the courses there is that is under product manager. Once you find a course that you like to take, this one has a great review. So let's go for this first one that came up. So say I click on this one, it has opened up this page for us to enroll. And if you click here, enroll for free, start August 3. You will see that you are being asked to pay or start a free trial. This is what it costs to take the course. So if you click on start free trial, they are going to charge you. But if you want to apply for financial aid, what you're going to do is not to click here. You're going to scroll down. You keep scrolling and you come here where it says financial aid available. You see how much I scrolled and look at the bar here. You see here it is financial aid available. Learn more. You're going to click on learn more, and it will tell you how many applications you can apply based on what you are going for. So you have one of 10 open applications. So if I scroll down, you see that this professional certificate has 10 courses in it. So we are going to start with the product management and introduction. I'm going to click on next, and it says applications can take up to 16 days to be reviewed. If approved, you are eligible to receive 90% off the regular price. So once you're okay with that, you click on continue to the application, which opens up this page. If they ask for your education qualification, you include that here. You can put what your annual income looks like here, and the currency your annual income is on. You can say your employment status, and you can say the reason why you're applying for financial aid. This was the last application I did. It still has my reason for applying for financial aid. Once you're okay with that, you click on I've reviewed my information, and you go on to the next page. They're going to ask you how much can you pay for your selected course. I'm just going to use this toggle and make it 0. They'll ask how your selected course help you with your goals. So you're going to enter that response here. Once you're done, you're going to check this page. I'm sharing accurate information on my application. I commit to finishing the Coursera course. Once you say that, they'll say you should please type the following sentence. You're able to type it and click this checkbox and submit your application for review. So quickly, I'm going to show you the one I applied for and go to my purchases. If you come here, you will see my payment history. This is the one I applied for. If you go to financial aid, you will see that it was approved. The original cost was at $44.10, and I was giving a 90% discount, which I had to pay the $4.90, which is approximately $5 instead of paying $44.10. I couldn't make it to pay for this one, and they approved my application. I have to reapply for financial aid if I still want to take this course. So this is how to apply for financial aid in Coursera and take your career to the next level. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Like this video if you got value from it, and have a good one.